Zoom in. Yeah, this is Pattaya. Small little one over there. Just to give you a feel, there's a guy right there, right? Somebody's fishing, I think. So that one alone looks pretty big compared to the guy fishing. And that one is pretty small compared to that one. Now you can see the perspective. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in Pattaya, and at this beach right here, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on the sign way down there. Let's see if I can locate that sign. There's a sign that says Pattaya way down there. I don't know if I can find it or not, but it's down there in those mountains somewhere. You can't quite see it. What we're gonna do is just kind of film, and we're kind of in this spot where there's way down there there's people fishing. So there's a big pier. A lot of people fishing off that pier, and then walk up and down this thing. And then we also have all these beach, and there's also some another beach that's around the corner, and it's I guess that would be what would that be called? It would be called a private resort and a swimming pool, that kind of stuff. So it's kind of looking at all the rocks around us, and so this is a nice little perch. People will walk by, and then there'll be a lot of sand over on that other side over there. Let's see if we can see people swimming. I've noticed in general there's a lot of Russian population in this area. I think they're buying up a lot of the condos. And behind me is kind of interesting because there's this beautiful house with a nice landscaped grass, green grass. Looks like something I'd see in Midwest of America or something like that, like a Frank Lloyd Wright house or something. I don't know. But it says private property, and it's kind of interesting that they have this private property right here. And they have this like prime real estate. So there's all these tourists that are walking by, going up and down the beach, and yet this place has like this thing that's probably worth who knows how much. So yeah, lots of people over on that side, and there's a big beach over on that side, and there's even the bridge because of how many people there are. So the next location, way over there, is the city of Pattaya. Let's see if we can come across that. Is that the sign? Boats coming in. What are those things? What is that? Wow. It's funny. Kind of floating around up there. In the Pattaya Bay. Quite a few of those. I didn't know there was that many. Also looking for this. Man, there's a lot of them around. Trying to zoom in with this camera, but it doesn't quite zoom in to that clarity that I'd like on a video. Somewhere over there is the Pattaya sign. I'm not gonna look for it, but it is over there. So this is the view that we can get from this little space, and a nice beach too. Big boats everywhere. And we'll conclude with that. This is pretty cool. I'm in this beach in Pattaya, and there's basically like people everywhere. And there's this pier, people are fishing over here, and lots of people are swimming at the beaches, and all of a sudden there's this like amazingly beautiful temple, and I had no idea that this was here. Let's see if I can zoom in and see if it'll go into a little detail. This camera, sometimes, you know, since it's in video, it's not the same as like taking still shots of the you can kind of see like how magnificent and beautiful it is. So okay, go around like that, and we'll end back at the temple again. Zoom in. Yeah, this is Pattaya. Pattaya. Small little one over there. Just to give you a feel, there's a guy right there, right? Somebody's fishing, I think. So that one looks pretty big compared to the guy fishing. And that one is pretty small compared to that one. Now you can see the perspective of the person standing right there, right? Right there's that person. Pretty cool. There's a bunch of condos over here.